Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something very important for all dog owners: signs that your dog might be unhealthy. You see, dogs are masters at hiding their pain. They instinctually try to mask any weakness to avoid being perceived as vulnerable in the pack. That's why it's crucial for us, as their pack leaders, to be observant and recognize the subtle signs that something might be wrong. Just like humans, dogs can experience a wide range of health issues. Some are minor, some are more serious. But early detection is always key. By noticing the signs and taking action, you can help your furry friend live a longer, healthier, and happier life. Stay tuned to learn how to keep your furry friend in the best shape possible. Now, you know your dog better than anyone. You know their energy levels, their playful nature, their daily routines. So when you see a sudden shift in their energy, it's important to pay attention. Lethargy can be a big red flag. If your dog is suddenly uninterested in their favorite walk or playtime, something might be up. Maybe they're sleeping more than usual. This could be a sign of many things. Trust your instincts. Remember, dogs live in the moment. If they're consistently showing low energy, investigate further. Consult with your vet if you notice any unusual lethargy. Food. Glorious food. Most dogs love their meals. They get excited about mealtime, often reminding you well in advance that their bowl needs replenishing. So when a dog, especially a breed known for its healthy appetite, suddenly turns their nose up at their food, alarm bells should be ringing. A loss of appetite, even for a short period, is a clear indication that something isn't right. It could be a passing stomach bug, but it could also be something more serious. Don't fall into the trap of thinking, oh, they'll eat when they're hungry. Prolonged loss of appetite can lead to weakness, lethargy, and other health complications. Observe your dog closely. Are they showing any other symptoms? Are they drinking more water than usual? Are their stools normal? These are all clues that can help you and your veterinarian determine the underlying cause of their lack of appetite. Remember, early detection is key to addressing any health issue. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for our canine companions. Sudden, unexplained weight loss is a major cause for concern. You might notice it in their waistline, their ribs becoming more prominent, or their collar feeling looser. This is not the time to celebrate. Weight loss can signal underlying health issues, from dental problems and parasites to serious conditions like cancer or organ dysfunction. Regular weigh-ins are crucial. If you notice a significant drop in weight, schedule a visit with your veterinarian. Water is essential for life, and all dogs need access to fresh, clean water at all times. But how do you know if your dog is drinking too much? While increased thirst can be normal after strenuous exercise or on a hot day, excessive and persistent thirst can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. If you find yourself refilling your dog's water bowl more often than usual, or if you notice them constantly licking their lips or seeking out water sources, it's important to pay attention. Excessive thirst, also known as polydipsia, can be a symptom of conditions like kidney disease, diabetes, Cushing's disease, and even certain medications. These conditions disrupt the body's natural fluid balance, leading to increased thirst and urination. Monitoring your dog's water intake can be challenging, but if you suspect they're drinking excessively, keep a close eye on their behavior and consult with your veterinarian. We've all experienced the occasional upset stomach. It's uncomfortable, but it usually passes quickly. The same is true for dogs. An isolated episode of vomiting isn't necessarily a cause for alarm. However, frequent or persistent vomiting is a red flag that shouldn't be ignored. Vomiting can be a symptom of a wide range of issues, from dietary indiscretion, eating something they shouldn't have, to infections, parasites, allergies, and even more serious conditions like pancreatitis or bloat. Pay attention to the frequency, color, and consistency of the vomit. Is it clear, foamy, bloody, or contain undigested food? This information can be helpful for your veterinarian in determining the underlying cause. If your dog vomits once and then acts normally, it's likely not a serious issue. However, if the vomiting continues, is accompanied by other symptoms like lethargy, loss of appetite, or diarrhea, or if you notice any blood in the vomit, seek veterinary attention immediately. Just like vomiting, diarrhea is a common issue in dogs. It can range in severity from a mild case of the runs to a more serious condition requiring immediate veterinary attention. Diarrhea is characterized by loose, watery stools and often an increased frequency of bowel movements. While an occasional loose stool might not be a cause for concern, persistent diarrhea can lead to dehydration and other complications. There are many potential causes of diarrhea in dogs, including dietary indiscretion, stress, parasites, bacterial or viral infections, food allergies, and inflammatory bowel disease. It's important to monitor your dog's stool for any changes in color, consistency, or frequency. If the diarrhea persists for more than 24 hours, if it's accompanied by blood or mucus, or if your dog is showing other symptoms like vomiting, lethargy, or loss of appetite, contact your veterinarian. We all cough from time to time. It's the body's natural way of clearing irritants from the airways. Dogs are no different. An occasional cough is usually nothing to worry about. However, a persistent cough, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms, can be a sign of a more serious underlying condition. There are many potential causes of coughing in dogs, including kennel cough, heartworm disease, heart disease, collapsing trachea, and respiratory infections. Pay attention to the sound of your dog's cough. Is it dry and hacking, wet and phlegmy, or honking? Also, note when the coughing occurs. Does it happen more at night, during exercise, or after drinking water? This information can be helpful for your veterinarian in making a diagnosis. If your dog's cough is persistent, worsens over time, or is accompanied by other symptoms like difficulty breathing, lethargy, loss of appetite, or weight loss, seek veterinary attention immediately. A dog's skin is their largest organ and a vital barrier against infection. It's also a good indicator of their overall health. While some dogs are prone to occasional skin irritations, persistent or recurring skin problems can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Allergies, parasites, infections, hormonal imbalances, and even stress can all manifest as skin issues in dogs. Common signs of skin problems include excessive scratching, licking or biting at the skin, hair loss, redness, bumps, scabs, or a foul odor. Pay attention to where on the body your dog is scratching or licking. Is it localized to a specific area, or is it more generalized? If you notice any unusual changes in your dog's skin or coat, it's important to consult with your veterinarian to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Let's face it, dog breath isn't exactly known for its freshness. However, if your dog's breath is particularly foul or has suddenly changed, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is most commonly caused by dental problems, such as periodontal disease. However, it can also be a symptom of other health conditions, including kidney disease, liver disease, and diabetes. Periodontal disease is a serious condition that can lead to tooth loss, pain, and even infections that can spread to other parts of the body. Regular dental care, including brushing your dog's teeth and providing dental chews, can help prevent periodontal disease. If you notice a significant change in your dog's breath, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms like drooling, difficulty eating, or pawing at the mouth, schedule a dental checkup with your veterinarian. Dogs communicate primarily through body language. They use a complex system of postures, facial expressions, and vocalizations to convey their emotions and intentions. As responsible dog owners, it's our job to learn to read and interpret these signals. Sudden or significant changes in your dog's behavior can be a sign that something is wrong, physically or emotionally. These changes can manifest in many ways, including increased aggression, fear or anxiety, decreased activity level, changes in sleep patterns, loss of house training, or disinterest in activities they previously enjoyed. It's important to consider any potential triggers for the behavioral changes, such as changes in the environment, routine, or household dynamics. However, if the changes are sudden, severe, or persistent, it's essential to consult with your veterinarian or a certified dog behaviorist to rule out any underlying medical conditions and develop a plan to address the behavioral issues. Thanks for watching. If you noticed any of these signs in your dog, make sure to consult with your veterinarian. Remember, you are your dog's advocate. You are their voice. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you have any concerns about their health. Early detection is key to preventing minor issues from becoming major problems. By being observant and proactive, you can help your furry friend live a longer, healthier, and happier life by your side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your pets healthy and happy.